Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. And I don't know, I just decided to get ready and quickly film the makeup that I was doing today, so I thought I would record it. So it's this look, so if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So first, today, my hair probably looks messed up, don't mind it. I'm going to be going into my e.l.f. Duo Eyebrow Pencil in, don't know the color. It's either neutral brown or dark brown. I feel like it's neutral brown. Move y'all in closer. I'm gonna take this Tarte Shape Tape in light medium, and I like to use this on my eyes whether or not I'm putting eyeshadow on. I just think it's a good base for my eyes. Covers up when I need it to. I put it in between my brows, and I take this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH03 brush and blend that out. There's always leftover foundation on it if I did my makeup literally a few hours ago or the day before, so I like the color that it creates. I kind of want to do white liner, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to take my NYX Professional Makeup White Liquid Liner. We look a little crazy, but we'll fix it. So I'm going to just go into foundation. So for my foundation, I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay, in shade 312 Golden Beige. Put that on the back of my hand. Take that same Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush, or Morphe Jaclyn Hill, and just kind of buff it in. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to go into the NYX HD Photogenic Studio Concealer in the shade CW0 3.5 or 3.5 Nude Beige. I actually like this color, and I love this concealer. Found out about it a few years ago, and I was like, oh. I always go back and forth with different ones. Normally after this I'd set my under eyes, but today I don't really feel like setting them, so I'm not. Because sometimes, I don't know. Dewy looks are cute, I guess. So I'm going to take this Fenty Beauty Matte Sticks in the shade, let's see if I know it, Truffle. Yes, ma'am. I'm going to put that on basically the perimeters of my face where I want to contour. And then as per usual, to blend that, the cream contour, I always like to go in with my e.l.f. 105 brush. Oh my gosh, I made my clips so dirty. It looks so nasty. Huh. Well, sometimes I like to drag the cream contour just a little bit in my crease, especially if I don't have, obviously if I don't have eyeshadow on. I feel like it creates a cute look for me. I'm going to go in with ColourPop Bits and Pieces Bronzer. I really like this one. I'm just going to take this angled face brush. And I'm just going to go over that contour. Sometimes I like to go into the crease with this as well afterwards, just to create some type of depth. I like to drag my bronzer down to my neck sometimes. Okay, next I'm going to just go in with this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is just the normal black one. I'm going in on my top lashes with that. And then I'm going to take this ColourPop liner in Exit Cream Gel Liner. And I like to take that in my crease, my waterline, but I like to go halfway. For some reason with white, I only like to go halfway. Oh my god, I look like I just put freaking white out on me. But guess what? Who cares? Okay, so for bottom mascara, actually no, we're gonna just go into highlight real quick. I don't feel like putting on blush today. So for highlight, I'm gonna go into this ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in Wisp. And I'm taking this Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH07 brush. And I just kind of do that. And then I like to take my big fluffy brush, kind of go over everything a little to blend it in, because sometimes I could be a little too harsh. For lips, I like to go into my favorite combo. So this is the Makeup Shayla X ColourPop, or ColourPop X Makeup Shayla BFF4. Sharpen her. Sharpen your lip pencils. Oh my god, I made the mistake. I didn't know Kylie's lip pencils are supposed to be sharpened. At least I think they are. But I didn't know, and I literally ended up throwing one away like years ago. Because I was like, oh my gosh, it like went low. It's because you had to sharpen it, sis. So don't be me. Especially if it's an expensive lip liner. Don't be me. I'm sure you can sharpen it if it's not like retractable. For the middle of my lips, I'm going to go in with Aquarius 2. And you think I'd be done, but no, I'm not. For bottom mascara, I found out this little thing when I did my makeup last night. I'm going to go in with ColourPop Kiss and Teal. It's their BFF mascara. I love these mascaras. Oh my gosh, the black one for everyday, perfect. I just don't have it. I'm going in on my bottom lashes, but I use either that black one or my Maybelline Lash Sensational or the Tarte Lights Camouflage lashes. Oh, love it. And boom, guess what? We're done. So this is your, you can slay at home every single day. You don't have to feel, you know, like you can't do your makeup or anything, because guess what? We're still slaying at home. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Bye. To